Look at this question. They say, what volume of propane is left unreacted when 80 centimeter cube of oxygen and 20 centimeter cube of propane react according to the equation below? Look at the equation. Propane is balanced by 1, C3H8. Oxygen is balanced by 5, O2. It means that irrespective of whatever thing they give us, whatever thing that will react for oxygen must be times 5 of whatever thing that is reacting for propane. Feels simple. Now, what do we have here? They say, what am I going to put here? Volume ratio now. What did they use to balance propane here? Nothing. That means it is what? Volume ratio here will be what? 1 centimeter cube. Ratio what? This is 5 centimeter cube of oxygen. Then ratio what? 3 what? Centimeter cube of this. Ratio what? 4 centimeter cube of the steam. So now what are we now going to do here? We are looking for now what did they now give us? Volume before sparking. They gave us here what? 80 centimeter cube of oxygen. So under oxygen here, I write what? Before sparking, I write what? 80 centimeter cube. Ratio. What am I going to write here? They say 80 centimeter cube of oxygen and what? 20 centimeter of propane. So under propane, I write what? 20 centimeter cube. Now, if I use 20 to divide 80, I'm going to get 4 ratio what? Ratio, how many 20? I mean, here it will now be 1 ratio 4, which is not in line with this. So now, if 80 must be times 5 of this, and I cannot add, I should have added 20 to this 80 so that it can be 100. 100 will now be times 5 of 20, but I can't do that. What will I, if I cannot add to this, I can get a number here out. So that means all this 80 will go. If all this 80 goes, then what number will I write here? That 80 will be times 5 of it. I will not divide 80 by 5. If I divide 80 by 5, it gives me 16. 5 here 1, 5 in 8. How many times? It goes 1, remainder what? Remainder 3. This 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remainder 3. So I have 1 here. Now remainder 3. So I put that 3 now here. That's 30. So 5 goes in 30. Is what? 6. So 16. So now, it now means that it is 16 centimeter cube that will be here. So now, if I can say 16 here 1, this is this one. Then 16 here will give me this 5. So this is the right thing. So if I have done that, okay, then this is now reacting volume. So this is my reacting volume now, which is 16 centimeter cube ratio what? 80 centimeter cube. This is my reacting volume. Out of the 20, 16 is reacting. Out of the 80, 8 is reacting. Then what is the volume after sparking? After sparking has taken place, I remove this 20 from here. I have what? Answer is what? 4 centimeter cube. Ratio what? 80 from 80. That's dash. They are not asking me anything further. What they are asking me is that what? What did they say? What is it? They say what volume of propane is left unreacted? That is 4 centimeter cube now. This is the answer. The volume of propane left unreacted is 4. If 16 reacted, 4 is left unreacted. Thank you.